If you are a technician, you fix phones, laptop, or any other home appliances, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through how you can successfully register as a Fixtops technician and start getting repair jobs from the comfort of your office. You get a job from the platform, they request you, then you can go fix the device, or you direct the customer down to your repair store. Watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you can successfully register as a Fixtop technician and start getting a repair job. First of all, you navigate to your web browser, type of Fixtops AI, then join as a pro. Click on join as a pro. Once you click on join as a pro, now you navigate to the sign up, put in your information there, your full name, your email address, and your phone number. But make sure your phone number, if you're in Nigeria, you change the +1, you change it to +234. If you're in US, you use +1. So once you put in your phone number and your password, please, when putting your password, make sure you use capital letter, small letter, and a number. You can see I didn't put number, so it requested for me to put a number. Now once you put your number, you repeat the same password, then you agree that you will be called by a Fixtop technician with that phone number you've provided. Yeah, then you also accept our terms and conditions. Then you click on start, get started. Now they are going to send you the one-time password to your email address. Go to your email, refresh. If the password is there already, then you copy the OTP, then go back to the Fixtop website and input the OTP there. Then you click to verify. Now you've actually accessed that page. So now you're going to come up with your business information, fill your business information, your tax ID. If you're in Nigeria, you also have a TIN number there. You put in your TIN number and then your business address. Here we have your business address. Wherever you're doing your business, then you put your address there, and you put in the zip code of that particular state you are in, Nigeria or US or any country you're actually trying to register with. So now this option here, you're going to choose customer is going to come to you or you are going to drive to the customer. Then you choose the miles, how long you can travel just to get a job done. When the customer requests you, then you select all the devices you can repair. Please do not select any device you do not know how to repair. Select all the device you know how to repair. If you are good in phone, gaming console, desktop, television, Microsoft box, Apple desktop, HP desktop, any device you know how to repair, then you select them here. Please make sure you select the ones you can repair. Don't select the ones you cannot repair in order not to get any embarrassment by a customer. Then you choose how many hours you can work a day. Choose how many hours you can work a day and how long you've been working on those devices you've chosen. Yeah, those devices you've stick. How long have you been working with those devices? Then now you click on login. So it's going to log you out automatically, then ask you to relog in again. Then you put in your email address and your password that you've actually created. Then now you're going to log in. So once you click on login now, it is going to show you awaiting approval. This time now, the company is going to contact you via email or account has been approved for you to start receiving orders. Then once it is approved and everything is okay, then now you can now come back to the Fixtop website again and log in your account, and by then it is already set up for you to start receiving orders.